Abanofo o ta make ndi bakasa nana na say o ho aba asem aba kan yo abanofo na sere ho ye hia no o ye hia sa de yi ya bia abanofo be ya bibi e ni bonya baba ho na ba de bibi aba ya aba ka ho bi bakasa nana aba no ho ke ya ko na ko no agasimu last year one somebody bibi baba ka ho and I want every baby, yes, as a masika crying in the beer, maybe a car, and my dear, who's your boy, dear, you can't answer, yes, Kakra, and on one. None of my will be young America. Yakwa America, yeah, about the sea. Yabia, but she say, that can say, yet to me, I had ya permonia made about the book, a man for home, I visit hospital. Nana no jumadie no oye papa nipa all the kind broni a okasa all of the infidels bi be ma say never the bibi e propaganda nano Kofi nana no o mebom amama ye Kofi o bai on say ho bai ko e won bibi aba e propaganda
okay we me church na okay me no kase sisi enra doma adwuma badui ensem a wode beto abonten so na ensem a asie to yenua Kofi Adoma eno no atena se ya na enra no we chese Kofi Adoma no ne nabusu edi ya no eno no wa chekere ne nsem wa bobbo ne konkomwa so a no dia begu abonten se bam na Ghana fo ne dwalai in fact me pacho mama akwa behind the reason hwe ade chi yi Ghana fo ne dwa o ma dwa yie chese wo bu afu yie pa se aden na papa we wo bia ba wo program ase ne wo benya ne problem na sa wo nka bi kura wo betwetwe ne se propaganda side and ye se me no ye ka kire mu and ye de domadi kru amanfo adwa no chese wo musi no way se papa ne timi di wo mo fa sa akwa no so Kofi Adoma especially and ye chese ne Ghana fo ne se domadi kru so mu je
ati na mini Kofi Adoma na nka mukuru ni nyamba ton ade ahemani no ati ika bebi a mesi sika akodu bia ne sa wo hini jonchi we atwe ma so ka me ma so o hini poto bonku me ma we be ya so we don mo platform na wo kasa so yo hini nkwasi afọ hene onye ntuma efra wo ntuma fifi ntuma asene
na mpapa obi Dormaahene bi ebe platform akada mfantefo ye fi man ya techimenu mfantefo ye nyina na ye fi techime ya history one king kan ye oye man kesibufo no na bi bi wo ba wo
ntokwa wo
tinye mfantefo nyina na ye fi man kesibu mfantefo ye nyina na Kama Ghana ya Gold Coast abredo na Central Cape Coast when on ye na ye de ho ono nam ho ma abofunu tum wo ba ho ba fefe bi no wodo ho fe say ye fitechi mananka wo benya nkofo ni bi wo ha cheche wo do ho no kwe ka wo cheche na
peke
was ya fo amen fanti bi ala mfi eyabu no mama nyam fanti na no wo fi
asike ye mfitechi manu e katsina be bi ono nchele efi wo
now I won't go on Dormaahene. What kind of work is Ashanti ready? Come what's with you? What kind of work is Ashanti ready? What's with you? I won't bet you be nature.
Sister, I dear by a say, Bola bed, Bola swinging in a Bola bed. I am why should I pay Wa sama ba wo ka de ko galamse ya asam de ko fefro obi mo che de we twado won twado galamse enkoto do hin no wa ro ni preto bo ogina teche no mo ole ye de wo so ho Only
Wa
a dig
pati
in
tasa we nya ka pre.
Onyina
Wa
what
tu
is
ga la
5
on
million?
we shibi.
Wodi aye konfo Mission Hospital. Sagala says ka we da so no. Onyina what $5 million?
and
Any hospital.
Bokamanani,
Sagala says ka na so no.
when you Bokamanani was a sister, no, he no Oko ya, UK and a was thrown. Walk also and dog says, can I sound was can you be a
and I say no, oh sister. I was for me say my some life work I did on my and my chrono because papa no me dem kra me friend do my hene do ma
Yansa kitchen point, you know.
do ma ba du wa jimi do ma ba du onim nyansa
On in a
afre
palm,
obi dihye afre obi dihye o so me ya adwuma ma wa ba ya adwuma na ma onu kra mpo no ni sika na oje ye no osadi pia wo hoka na se ne osenra wakotna bunu regional house of chief say wo de wuntutuo na binum na omoye propaganda Kofi Adoma ye propaganda se wapura ode chese utimu se akwa no
or Bacasa won't to the fool in chamber.
aye Jimmy minuaba aye do mama wa Jimmy wa Jimmy
Wa ko ta ba ni sa
obekasa
obekasa
wa ma petition
More pa, Sabbath.
obekasa wa ma petition
wanu bua de ni
anu petition
So I'm back. What can I make us on Macasson?
tanka wa mekasa kra nkeye
once akika do na sisi share the true every true
me say ni din agimai no onyi mfiri ni so because agimai na ya asante foodin edin kan
anti
etosu mienu ma onfra kente because kente no matter say Ghana baabi okoto no bonwirefo na enim so omonwunu kente
eti na je say Ghana for na dwala enra in fact koda ne mpani wo nyina ties say no ekwan Dormaahene de Kofi Adoma fas in fact wanya de ya juma badu eti so ho ewiase ne yaka say ofa wanse na ho obufu a wo bre wo krom on say papa yi ye kana sem a wontie on say wodi koka sahwe ne nkoda ne wo mo horo no na mdo be ko YouTube on YouTube for strike na wo mo say adwuma badu wo se de yi Kofi Adoma propaganda sa eni etwen ye na efie boku aso kasai yenko YouTube mra
Nana Wadama ultimi ga say propaganda because one nipa no video and one what's niaka sebi angel group of companies Dr. Kwakute sebi money mo onya akwada na money mo wonye Jimmy for I wouldn't be a disikaye. I ain't you bet 110,000 Ghana cedis or the Kutia propaganda. We are $40,000 say or the Kutia propaganda car. Sabinana. We they say I say entry you. Na we Dr. Gwakutin and who more brony na kuma pass him if you are. Say Sabi, you have a part Ibrahim Mama on your Jimmy for. No, so I could over $100,000 say what you call supportive propaganda. And that's me okay in the area. The more ya na pray say Makufinte. I pray say manente and money and movie and country no. Because Otia be shene cry.
right was Otia ebe she Kofi Adoma kra na no na make kire say efie boku ya fre Kofi Adoma hey yesi dia to Kofi Adoma ajima badu wo di asembe ba o am for just Kofi Adoma shiki era che say was why Dormaahene why ajima badu was just Kofi Adoma say why nana Dormaahene na wonim Ghana for no wo mi video am ti hwe this time around ye nyina nti say Dormaahene dikuru ohene we wa sheda pese wo de bonofo nyina bad ne niam abone a wo ye mesrem sese ne de ho ada ho mon target Dormaahene no ankasa na munya ebono fo no why mesrem o de fa ne se bonofo ni bi ye negligence o mon fa ho no mayi din mo de monyi wo mon sinche ho sese no mon focus wo Dormaahene o de mon kase Dormaahene wo na wo ye sei ajima badu mo ne din just Judge Daniel Kofi Mensah Dormaahene period na mo handle no na yenya ne record e wo highway ne so what if feel like I say he say opese wo de domafo no eye shield it said the Israel ne Palestinian fo ntokwa no wo mo kosesa nkora no mo gina nkora na so mo to bomb to to obeku nkora no sa na Dormaahene ye eti misrem ma obi amfa ebono fo mo mfo mo ntagate Dormaahene na no na afia wo ku ya se wate say ajimabadu aka asembi woda wonda afi okuya wo se de tie no en
was sad yo na people could have him lady etro say oh was sad yo na najibambedu won kwaso nanso we dear your own son a son of bono soil Kofi Adoma has become suicidal since last night after hearing you describe his shooting as propaganda. Kofi Adoma duenia manihuate. You used your whole life to promote Bono and now you are being accused of propaganda. Jesus, I had to stay on the phone with him throughout the night and this morning to calm him down. He is so broken and currently in excruciating pain that family members are now roaming the street of Tema and Accra to get emergency drugs for him as we speak, else there will be a crisis. How can 7 surgeries be propaganda? Oh, you Radimambedu Wadaroma, ye power chow, your son is going blind. Your son, he has to be flown outside in the next few weeks for the 8th surgery. We beg you, God forbid, Nana, please don't wait for do. My heart bleeds for my brother. And what they broken heart twice so I watch say Kofi Adoma tis ansem no sebunya kra obekum no ho ama abusuafo ene nam temane akra bonten so say ombenya dura ebetimi akam ne down nanso so said the ACT no o kopin mu 8 surgery obekwa akoye enche few weeks ahead and was say nanajuma bedu say nsem o kan die at least anka won san echi now United Showbiz omo piapoku avim lady etro say oh o sad ye yo nanajuma
na on say wiase no ho hwe ofa sa on ofa obi hu abufu ne nipa ne ye wo hwe na wo yese me de on otan ene adwempone ebe ye nipa enkosi hwe ma ho papa ye kana sam se asante ho tan ye wo ne mu no ebe gu nani mu ase onza ne mu gu ase ba onza ajimabadu nani mu gu ase ba to the sense ye nya hwe na Ghana fo no ano ehunu ne to na me do ko UTV on me ba UTV etna senra wo mote Dormaahene asa no mani anye ene ye chese mrantie no cha se keka bi kire papa ipa ene wo mo kire se ye na 90 min kas eni sankomo no fi se wo yese asa wo nkwa na wo nyansani wo mfa hwe ho na wo ba no wo be keka wadwen wo fa ho di free na Kofi Adoma na wo ye propaganda ene mrantie ne tra se no mo sesa ene nana tie ye ntie UTV for no wo tra se
asim ko bayi nyina no yesi Dormaahene kasai even on one kasa ne as session o kase na kompeso be kasa ba be binti no peso eni di mu asemaba somebody has been named na be kasa wa to bon to named as we pra ye practice we did them anka pure purposes no nanka ebeye fe. So yes, Dormaahene, I am frustrated with the level of propaganda and say most of the positive impact via oil or Dorman. But if you say obey through a hand of I don't know the English word, concern, care, sympathy, empathy. Yes. And not a messy was saying a hammer. Propaganda lady. I feel say on no say and that's a fact because even for the masketeer now I say some of us say no a pure accident, so it could be misleading and he's right in that regard. It's a honor party main fortune The Ayami Yakakrano, the refusal or his inability to extend that hand of empathy and sympathy. So, oh, Yanni, a feel Sebra. For example, Empress, I said, what Bass member or kitchen show. The Banama be pulling me pra. Not exactly, not be a yami or show nothing. Na Makofi, not maintain one. Regardless of the facts, you say, oh, Empress, what area, what the Marco just do, like some weird explanation be about how. It doesn't mean that you should not extend your hand in terms of empathy and sympathy. That is my only concern with the issue. Yes, express all your frustration in regard to how you did negativity and shadow your positivity. But that sympathy need dear should have extended to the gentleman. Michelle. So when you have another opportunity, every question could not be in the public domain. You could do it privately. Because more than more friend, it's not as if say he went there out of his own volition. He was called. Say Juma Udi over the period. So we would want you to bring your lenses, bring your expertise here and cover it for us. That may be a seer. It's only nice, fair, and humane. See, but to extend this our way, especially in the public domain. You see, public domain now ubia ATO, ubia show. That's why the PR is very important.
Okay, eti any akase unimi bi hu nyansa yesua na ye na nan all the time ya na wa sheda say da bia no okoka we na obeka we okaka we na obeka we ene ono nko ane ho nsem no gentre ha nyina ne say o time any you see bogus competition obi a we asantini menya asantini we aduane ni menya aduane ni da bia will try to create something said the beya obetimi adada ye nuane mako bono ne hafomantem ho na wa create tribal division just a bogus niema just a papa you do no want ase so obi a we mranim ni no what tini pantem ne just obi I don't know enwa first kwa ne nim se we ye bono ni na ye nyina yete baby ye adwu ye nyina wo emfa ho enne papa yetimi ama we si me ye bono ni we si dabi bi me free ha sei enna ye kra no asantefo na mo hye ne nyina ya agema badu papa ye wo si ase ona boss abra ne nyina enye we ye kan ne aka no kore adia papa ne ye no emfa ne nkosi hwe ebe me ye nyina bebre nanu na ye na nan odi nkomo no wo chechiri mu ase tia
Menshia ya Yura Santene, away in Tinabia, and Assembia, Becosona, see Bessium, a bobo, a one menshia, no mining in a soon see a move fee and menshia. Nipana walk an assembly, or so was same, also tete from Nasabia to Adiasra, a watch to Diokubis and a boss. Dear and a beba mercy, say Yura Santene, I can't sem, a sem no cannot the Nokranak, nothing quantain, near to Adiana Sabi, and near my 20 hour, when the sky could be an award. Minim say Adio, say a say, and a tronos of me at say, Yesu Christo be wiase no osayare nyina osakwata osanifra osabubua osamojatu no ye na adwen se okojimi hu no na ne papa ka chense sayare no okoma ne nko se yade ani aduru asofo nyina ye dance se jimi
eti ene da ho na sampa fo no so sampa de hye no so te asem no eno o madwalai just say in fact wo mo say adwuma badu be careful just wo mo say wo mo hu ne tirimpo wo ne suma ene drobo sampa fo say mu ye hu musuban mu nya sa bono ye bono fo ye bibia sa ene ho a bono is not a tribe, it's just administrative purposes of regional area which in different etel te dena de bia ne ye bonofo ene ye bonofo wo ye bono de ye bono a region so it mum aduma bedu kwaye ne niam yen ka se Dormaahene ne ye we ne ye Dormaahene e na akobɔ ne bra we yen kan straight Dormaahene ne Dormaahene eno kwanye domafo ni nyina domafo bi wo kra de wo ye eyo mo tai how much more a bunu region ni nyina ena papa yi wodi ne nkuku nkaka every day nano na sampafo ne say papa yi atene nkati hai
Ocean for me chamo. A short video be a person me. And Ramity, me a madam for Dormaahene, and send you a kaya, and Rami Rehuya. Menem say sebi sen kan ma meti ase anken run wonder because ensem no keka ni nyina no na ye nneoma ensisi so hwe ne woka o say sampa eye somade me nua no mo sampa fo so mo hu mo be ka say like ne o ye no o ye because of odo ye o mo wo hidden agenda oni ne nwunu mehene eno ntu no timi ka say sampa eye nwunu media na nwunu me ono no bada ben ya bako 70 ya bibia ekire pefi omo ane ye no muti asase no so eye kotifo ensem ya court e mabro ne fita chief justice edi asem yi edi amayen repamo me the document na bibia beba samra ne ye fra mo nwunu me ene Dormaahene kase sampa eye nwunu media meti ye mere ko ye na enu krampo no ye gyae no to ha ene nnuoma oye kase Kofi Adoma was sorry ebe gina wachi eye wunnioma edi boawo se odi project wo wako ema wamobi atutuo abab se nani a usan kase yerua ene shechiri sebi minimpa se ampa se nkane maami etiase a enkenwa nwumre nkane rebe ho because nnuoma ne ba ne kekaye no emfa na kwan mo ujai eno to ha na san hwe nnuoma bi a oye ujeje nemu a na ye bepew a serve document contempt document na wama o body guys huna believe wa oba be serve say when they want to leave then they should go back, if they want to die then they should come closer to you to serve you obia otemweni a wujina je utna komyamu na bunkrofofo now we are lawless to that extent mesre minuanom ya ye war that territory ye frey and the Bono region no man sorry papa enuama a oye or the trust and beba politicians are to me ababeshamunsa mutumi no ye di mamo ye mra pon no di amamo no mu fi say mutimi divide a ene be mamotimi anya power e bedurum rebi no be nana ene ka bibi kire me o se dua na mo dua no wontimi ntrase mo ye hwe han na mo gyan Dormaahene eni Dormaahene se omunuama omu ye sebi a nyansa bi eni mo be gya omu makoso aya e bedurum rebi no basa yo mo di be bagana no e be take mu ankasa mo life but you can't bring order in the nation. This is the time where as I say mutimi hwe na mutoa na mo edurum pempenso bi a e be manuama biara mo bibia no e di mfaso di beba oman no mo.
Okay, eti yenuan wakasae sampa de hye eso kasae. Na no na Halifax also wo Peace FM. Na wono so de ne die twa to se papa yi Dormaahene mo nka chese wonya de wokeka no. E de pred ayi no se Kofi Adoma ye propaganda. Yentie Halifax wo Peace FM.
Me name information ananawo. Original so can say the ekosum a propaganda try say enye no cray misleading. By the information I have, and I believe many Ghanaians have, shows that Kofi is not acting. Kofi is not pretending. The video we saw enye Photoshop. Musketry, gunpowder entered his eyes. One has gone off. The other one is going blind. Doctors report or there to judge say the remnants of the gunpowder no and there's almost something in our Cries could be worse off. We've seen him. When was the last of the uncle said Wajana about you could say that boy is not pretending. At least the town the thing happened, he went to the local hospital there first. And the doctor also so the doctor at the Sunyani hospital, the doctors in Accra, the doctors in Dubai, Kolebu, everybody came together and said, oh, let us plan a propaganda to tarnish the image of a traditional society. For what? Just saying, what is the benefit of that propaganda? So I feel, well, I don't know what information he has, but the information we have, any propaganda. And let me remind Nana again. When you see other traditional areas, now Bia can want some positive light. It doesn't happen accidentally. It is planned. They pay for it. I can't mention 5 journalists who have done more charity than Kofi Adoma using that his program. It's a one he does everything within his means to seek help for that person.
Okay. Eti asema brantie ka Halifax kan ye me dene se kwanchan de fa ye de sika na ye hyene so pa se kwanchan ade fa ye de sika na ye nti so hu se krobia asante kotoko yin ahemfie asante ma manhia ya bodwa ne dwa no aye data na kyese enipa fefedie chichini bencheye na yo fe bambo security is in place hunu se a investment a planning a strategic abranti yes mo katwa to mo kan kire agimabadu so person ye bibi na ye fa aya won planning yi owi a mo me bosobo obi nkasa accident it means nemum unso obi ye traditional setting bi na ye fa kone kosua ne jai to kakabensem ano ye ha mo ebi no de te doma ho no mo kokeka de beka bunu region nyina mesrem sese no mo hunu se agimabadu intentions woni suma na drobo the intentions of this conformiansa we no I allowed the mesrem anya bonofo nyina asem eye suma no waka sumafo ana suma kuro no suma hene Dormaahene drobo hene wo miensa na aka bom no mo distort history every day timi yefrem wo de sheba yeta asem yentanipa asenyansa wo a enya abo ne kwasea senyansa wo a o mekasa emenne nkoda ntwe wabo se de Dormaahene yi nti suma hene wo ne drobo mo antimi ntu wo hene fo na hwe enehwe o hene wo ntie futu na we takrabo a onitire nti na yemofe suma drobo eyemofe ahemfo miensa mo antimi anta se enkoka we na akoka nkora de betwe wabo so mo antimi antu no fusa enehwe de asi your friend what she behind the reason show what to wise is enough papa ni kurumfo no bia wono mpo mo asem domafo no bia mpa wono mpo no wono asem no be yo mo yayi nemum mon toto ne nto no se won to no bo na Ghana eyekuru kaskese nipa kudu ahudu wa adwene netim your friend what she ba ya no drop comments na what shemen koto wono na umunti se de Ghana for di esi di nkomo no nyansa wo no momo ka kire sabie mu wo hino tie akonya so eya tie akonya tuntum so doma asefi mu he ye fra mo de sheba me dase ye fancy se beto aso bio